I was taking Communications 100 and the communications professor asked, so how many people know what jobs you can get in communication arts? And pretty much nobody raised their hand. And he just went and wrote down job after job after job, public relations, you can go into social media managing, you can go into all these different things. And I sat there and I looked at it and I said, I could do that. I could do that. I would like to do that. That sounds like fun. I think that the communication arts major is special to me because communication was always something that I loved to do. I always loved interpersonal communication, talking with people, as well as public speaking and writing and those kinds of things. So finding a major that allowed me to do all of these things was really important for me because it let me know that I was going to be able to do something that I love. The teachers and mentors that I've had here at Salisbury especially have shown me that I can do these things and that I can do them so much better than I ever thought that I could. They've only helped me improve my writing and helped me improve my public speaking and helped me improve all of these areas that are going to help me further down the line. Outside of class, I did a practicum at the Salisbury University Public Relations office that ended up turning into a job, which was really nice. So I've continued to get experience there working with their public relations specialists and their marketing specialists. That first-hand experience is really important before you go into having a real job after graduation. Communications is special to me because it really is something that I'm passionate about and it allows me to do what I love to do and do it perfectly, and that makes me happy.